All right, guys, we got the PPE Billet Hood Latch we're going to be throwing on the truck. We'll be able to open the hood faster. Oil changes will be faster. Lighter weight. What do you think, Tony?
Horsepower.
There's a quick, easy install. Two T15 screws right here. So we're going to get the old one off. And we'll probably have to make sure these are torqued down correctly so that way it doesn't come flying off on the freeway, you know? Instructions call for 2 Ugga-Duggas. It's a nice, clean, easy install right there.
It's actually cool with the little finger deal in there.
Oh yeah, it's got a nice little groove.
Way more sleek too.
It does. It looks really cool. It's just like one of those upgrades, you know, you want to do, like you're bored on the weekend and surfing the internet, you know, the night before, or well, this would be a couple days before to get it, and just wanted, you know, excuse for a cool little upgrade. Nice.
Wait.
Look at that. Feels good. All right, guys. Well, that's about it for this. But seriously, yeah, check these out. PPE makes a bunch of cool stuff for these 3-liter Duramax trucks. I'm sure this works on other applications as well.